Hello, number 1, 3-point charge QA 2 plus 2 microcoulomb, QB minus 2 microcoulomb, and QC 4 microcoulomb are placed line at origin at 3 cm and x 100 cm. Sketch label the diagram to show the force X on the QA. So meaning you have a charge QA and you have the charge QB. QA is a positive 2 microcoulomb and the QB distance is 30 cm. This is a distance 30 cm. Let's see the 30 cm from the, this is negative 2 microcoulomb. This is QB and the QC is 100. This is QC and distance is 100 centimeter. So meaning the distance here is 100 minus 30 is 70 cm. So the force X on the QA. So to find the force X on the QA, the first force is come from the QB. So force by the QB on the QA, because the QA is negative and this is negative, so the force is repulsive, meaning the force BA to the left, right? So QA repulsive to the left, and QC is a positive. So meaning this is a positive, so this is negative, so meaning what happened to the force by the QC on the QA. So what happened to QA, because QA is positive, meaning the force of QA is attract to the QC. Right? So if you draw the diagram, the QA here, we have the two force. The first force is the force by the C on A direction to the right, and you have this is right here, this is force CA, and the second force is force by the QB on the charge A to the left. Okay, number 2 is calculate the magnitude of the net force X on the QA. So meaning that you have the two force, so what is the net force X the charge A? So the net force of the X on the charge A, the first is come from the first FCA direction to the left. This is positive, so the force, as you know, electrostatic force is equation K Q1 Q2 over R square. So now the force here between FCA is QB and QA. QC and QA. Right? This is a K QC on QA, and the distance here is 100. This is R square, and minus, because FBA to the right, so this is B on the charge A, and the distance here is 30 cm. Okay, this is R square. So if you use the value to the equation here, so the K is 9 exponent 9, and the QC is a charge is positive 4 microcoulomb, and the QA is positive 2 microcoulomb, and the arc distance between the C and A is 100. So 100 here you can use a meter, so 100 is exponent minus 2, and for the QB on A is QB is charge 2 2 microcoulomb, no need use a negative, you just use the values as 2 microcoulomb, and the QA is 2 microcoulomb, and the distance here between B and A is 30 cm, so use meter is type 10 power of minus 2. So now the final answer use calculator is the force X on the QA is equal to 0.328 Newton. Thank you.